What's up, beautiful people, and Michelae here, and in this video we're going to be making a DIY avocado hair mask for maximum moisture retention. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you will be notified of future uploads. For this mask, you are going to need 2 ripe avocados. You're also going to need an oil of choice, honey. I like to use unpasteurized honey, a bowl, and some mixing utensils. Avocado is super beneficial for hair growth. It contains minerals that smooth down the cuticles, leaving the hair super smooth and shiny. It is a great source of biotin, and biotin increases the rate of follicle growth. It also stimulates the production of keratin, which is the main component and structure of the hair. It contains vitamins A, D, and E, and it's packed with other proteins, amino acids, folic acid, and iron, which are all important for hair growth. So I'm just gonna take a spoon here and scoop out my avocado. This makes it so easy to do. 1 tablespoon of my honey and add it to my avocados. I've only added 1 avocado to the bowl currently, but you'll see me add the rest later. I like to use creamed unpasteurized honey because its nutrient content is much more than that of regular table honey, and I like the texture that it gives as well. Add 5 tablespoons of my oils. I like to use avocado oil as well as olive oil for this recipe because they're both penetrating oils. And the reason why I prefer to use penetrating oils is that they carry those nutrients into the hair shaft. It goes in and really moisturizes the shaft from the inside out. Now you can go ahead and just mash this all together using a fork. You're gonna have to be using some good old-fashioned elbow grease to get this really mashed up well. Or you can also put this in a blender. I personally prefer to go ahead and use a hand mixer because I get a smooth, creamy consistency. There's no lumps, no clumps, and I don't have to worry about pieces of avocado getting stuck in my hair because that does happen. And honey, it is not fun. It's super hard to wash out. And I'm just gonna blend this until I get it to the consistency that I like. And here we have it's whipped to desire. I love this texture. This texture makes applying this mask to my hair so easy and efficient. I absolutely love this stuff. And my mask is ready. So let's jump on over into the studio and get to the application. Starting with a week's old hair. My hair is dry right now. It's not Sahara Desert dry. It still has a little bit of, other stuff in it, but it is dry and it is time to rehydrate and wash and get this mask applied to my hair. So I'm just going to spritz my hair with some water here and get it nice and damp. We don't ever want to work on super dry hair because, that can cause breakage due to the friction, etc., etc. So I'm just going to get it nice and moist. And also that water will help to lift up the cuticles so that the ingredients that we have just put together in this mask can go right on into the hair shaft. I'm gonna section off my hair and start to apply this mask. The texture is absolutely amazing and it smells pretty good too. If you like the smell of avocado or pear, in Jamaica we call it pear, you would love this mask. And I just go ahead and I apply this mask to my hair generously. I do have a lot of hair and I have thick, coarse hair, so I like to really get this on every single hair strand, working this thing in and making sure my hair is coated beautifully. I love the texture this gives my hair. My hair looks so shiny. It makes my hair look healthy. My hair feels moist. It's soft. It's supple. It's just an amazing mask, amazing DIY mask. This is the side by side with my hair from before and after applying the mask. As you can see, my hair looks so shiny. It's soft. It looks healthy. The curls are popping. My hair is hanging. I'm absolutely in love. The only thing I wished was that I detangled my hair, but I didn't until after I wash it out. But it's not a big deal for me. I went ahead and finished and applied this to my hair, and this is how my hair looks. My hair feels so good. So what I did was I put my hair up in a little bun and I covered my hair with a plastic bag, and I think I let this sit about 3 hours, and I had a few stuff doing, and yeah. What would have been even more amazing is if I sat under a hooded dryer or my steamer to open up my cuticles and really allow this stuff in. And this is what my hair looks like. I'm about to wash it out right now. Man, I'm telling you, the moisture retention that I got from using this mask was fabulous. It was so fabulous. My curls, my locks really, really love this mask. I had no residue from the avocado left in my hair, which I love because I've done this mask before without using a blender or a hand mixer, and I found that, you know, I had little pieces and chunks of avocado in my hair and it was super hard to get out, but not this time. You can see here my hair is super hydrated. It's hanging, my curls are holding on to some moisture from the water. That's also because of the creamed unpasteurized honey. My hair is really holding on to its moisture here, and I love, love, love how it looks. My ends look super hydrated. The curls are popping. My hair feels great. It looks great, and it's super shiny. Give this mask a try. It was only 3 major ingredients: avocado, oil, and honey. Super, super easy, super quick, super simple to make, and incredibly effective. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know how it goes when you use this mask. I appreciate you, and I absolutely look forward to seeing you in the next one.